Hello friends, welcome to my channel Order Flow Girl. Today is 8th September and let's walk through the trades that I have taken today. First up is in IOC. Let's begin by looking at the volume profile chart. If we look at the previous day value area, price opened inside value area and closed outside with a wick in the initiative candle. But on the order flow chart, you'll see that there was a liquidity pocket position in this wick. So this is ideally our advanced ID setup. So as per the plan, I placed my limit order at this pocket position with the stop loss equal to the points from the pocket position up to the high of the initiative candle. As soon as I got an entry in this 9:30 am candle, price moved vigorously in my direction. But in the 9:45 am candles, you will see that there was heavy exhaustion. So the buyers could not lift the price higher than this level. Looking at this price action, I decided to exit my position here in this particular trade. The next trade was in Hindalco. If you look at the volume profile chart, you'll see that price opened outside previous day value area, but this initiative was not sustained and it entered the value area again. So let's look at the order flow chart. In the order flow chart, in this initiative candle, if you look at this pocket position, you'll see that buying order were heavily absorbed by the sellers and price couldn't close above this pocket position for 45 minutes. So this paved way for our unwinding setup. So if you look at this last pocket position, price absorbed exactly at this pocket position. So I placed my limit order here with my stop loss 2 ticks above this candle, which gave us a clue. Initially, if you look at the chart, after I got an entry in this 11 am candle, price started moving up. But due to lack of any initiative buyers, price again entered the value area, and from there, if you look at the chart, price moved swiftly in my direction. So this was a very good trade which gave almost 1:2 risk to reward. Apart from these two trades, there was one more setup formed in granules, though I did not take this trade, but let's discuss the setup. So you'll see that in the volume profile chart, price opened inside previous day value area and closed outside, but this initiative was not sustained and price entered value area again. But it took a bounce from the VPOC and started moving up again. So let's look at the order flow chart. So this is our KR setup, basically key auction reversal. So for KR we require two things. One is absorption and second is initiative. So you'll see that this is our VPOC level and price got absorbed exactly at this level. This selling pressure was absorbed by buyers, and then we got this initiative candle, and in this initiative candle you'll see that the selling pressure was again absorbed by buyers. So you could place your limit order here with your stop loss 1 tick below this swing low, and this upward move could be captured. So this was for today. I hope this added some value to your trading knowledge. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you tomorrow. Till then, keep learning, keep earning. Bye bye.